Welcome to the world where we teach you real English in an easy and fun way. For many people, saying "I'm sorry" after certain situations, even those that don't require an apology, is second nature. But over-apologizing can backfire in the workplace as well as in everyday life. It can make others think less of you, lower your self-esteem, and water down the impact of future apologies. In this video, we are going to look at an incredible way to change your mindset and that of those around you. Before we start, we kindly ask you to click on the subscribe button so you never miss out on our valuable content and our channel can continue growing. Your support means the world to us. Thank you. So to change your mindset and of those around you, all you need to do is simply replace the word sorry with thank you. Think about it. When we say sorry, we often feel guilty, defeated, or even ashamed. But when we say thank you, we invite positivity and connection. It sounds easy, and it is just as easy as it sounds. So let me give you a practical example. Hybrid and remote work has gained popularity in the last few years, causing people to use their electronic devices more than ever. Unfortunately, no matter how tech-savvy you are, technical difficulties are bound to occur, and they usually aren't your fault. Think about a glitchy video call, for example. You might feel compelled to apologize if it takes a long time for a presentation to load, if buttons malfunction, or if there's another technical lag. So to overcome any awkwardness and reinstate an air of confidence, instead of apologizing for things that are out of your control and saying, "I'm sorry, it's slow," use phrases like, "Thank you for your patience," or "Thank you for working with me." "I'm sorry" is often a phrase that people use when they need to fill space because they aren't comfortable with silence. Here is another example. Instead of saying, "Sorry I'm late," try, "Thank you for waiting." This simple change turns a potentially negative situation into a positive acknowledgement of others' patience. Similarly, when you forget something, rather than apologizing and using "Sorry I forgot," express gratitude by saying, "Thank you for reminding me." This shift focuses on appreciation rather than dwelling on mistakes. In conclusion, by adopting this practice, you not only alter your own mindset, but also influence the attitudes of those you interact with. Instead of focusing on your shortcomings, we express appreciation for the people around us. So next time you catch yourself saying sorry, try replacing it with thank you. It may seem small, but it can make a world of difference. Mastering a language is all about practice and perseverance. So keep practicing, keep learning, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow as learners. And remember, as we say in English, practice makes perfect. If you like this video, please hit the like button and we hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.